Hello and welcome to MIT USA. Today we want to demonstrate for you our 6x6 manipulator, which is the normal manipulator that we offer, except in this case we actually have it outfitted with two different torch systems. We have it outfitted with a Pipeworks power supply with a MIG torch, where we actually are doing the root pass. When we have two pipes together, we're actually performing the root pass. We have the oscillator also available on here, so we're actually oscillating while we're doing that root pass. We also then move this torch out of the way and bring over the other torch, and now we create the sub-arc weld for the fill pass, and there's an example of that. We'll go on and show you the video of when the welds were being performed. And just to show you, this is an easy move and place the torch, and then it locks into place wherever you place it. And we developed this dual torch slide so that we can be able to move both in place. And like I said, that's mounted also with an oscillator so that we can do our actual oscillation during the root pass. Anyway, any other questions you have, feel free to give us a call. We'll go ahead and show you some video.